Friends, welcome back to another video. Let's start now. Question is, let f of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c such that f of 1 equal to 3, f of minus 2 equal to lambda, f of 3 equal to 4. If f of 0 plus f of 1 plus f of minus 2 plus f of 3 equal to 14, then find lambda. Okay, now solution. F of 0 is equal to x plus we can substitute 0, a into 0 square plus b into 0 plus c. That implies f of 0 is equal to c. This is totally 0, b into 0 0 plus c. F of 1 is equal to x plus we can substitute 1, a into 1 square plus b into 1 plus c. F of 1 value is 3. That implies a plus b plus c is equal to 3. F of 1 is equal to a plus b plus c equal to 3. Okay, f of minus 2 equal to x plus we can substitute minus 2, a into minus 2 whole square plus b into minus 2 plus c is equal to lambda. That implies minus 2 whole square is plus 4. 4a plus into minus minus 2b plus c is equal to lambda. Okay, f of 3 is equal to x plus we can substitute 3, a into 3 square plus b into 3 plus c is equal to 4. That implies 3 square is 9, 9a plus 3b plus c is equal to 4. Okay, this is equation number 1. Okay, this is equation number 2, this is equation number 3. Okay, if you want f of a given condition is f of 0 plus f of 1 plus f of minus 2 plus f of 3 equal to 14. Okay, f of 0 plus f of 1 plus f of minus 2 plus f of 3 is equal to 14. F of 0 equal to c. F of 1 value is 3. F of minus 2 value is lambda. F of 3 value is 4 is equal to 14. C plus lambda plus 7 is equal to 14. That implies C plus lambda equal to 14 minus 7 implies C is equal to 7. 14 minus 7 is 7 plus lambda right side వస్తే minus lambda అయిపోతుంది. C equal to 7 minus lambda. Okay. Equation number 2 minus 3. LHS minus LHS, RHS minus RHS. 4a minus 2b plus c equal to lambda. 9a plus 3b plus c equal to 4. So LHS minus LHS, RHS minus RHS. 4a minus 9a minus 2b plus into minus minus 3b plus c minus c is equal to lambda minus 4. These two terms cancel. 4a minus 9a is minus 5a, minus 5b minus 3b is minus 5b is equal to lambda minus 4. Here minus common. 5a plus 5b is equal, here also minus common. 4 minus lambda. Minus minus get cancelled. 5 is common. A plus b is equal to 4 minus lambda. A plus b is equal to 5 taking ఇటువైపు వస్తే ఏమవుతుంది, డినామినేటర్లోకి వచ్చేస్తుంది by 5. This is the a plus b value. Already c value is there. C is equal to 7 minus lambda. Okay, equation number 1 is a plus b plus c is equal to 3. Okay, a plus b value, c value substitute in this equation. A plus b value is 4 minus lambda by 5. 4 minus lambda by 5 plus 7 minus lambda equal to 3. This implies here LCM is 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 1 into 4 minus lambda, 4 minus lambda. 5 into 7 minus lambda is equal to 3. That implies 4 minus lambda plus 35 minus 5 lambda. 5 into minus lambda minus 5 lambda. 3 into 5. 5 taking this side. Okay. 39. 4 plus 35, 39 minus lambda minus 5 lambda minus 6 lambda is equal to 15. That implies 39 minus 15 equal to 6 lambda. That implies 24 equal to lambda by is 24 by 6 equal lambda. 4 times cancel. Implies lambda is equal to 4. That's enough. Now next problem. Let a comma b belongs to capital. That means a comma b are real numbers. Be such that the equation ax square minus 2bx plus 15 has repeated root alpha. Repeated root means alpha comma alpha roots of this equation. Okay, if alpha comma beta are the roots of the equation x square minus 2bx plus 21 equal to 0, then alpha square plus beta square is equal to. Now solution according to the condition first equation roots are alpha comma alpha. Why repeated root are alpha? Repeated root means alpha comma alpha. Okay, alpha comma alpha are roots of ax square minus 2bx plus 15 equal to 0. Sum of roots alpha plus alpha is equal to minus of minus 2b by a minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square 2b by a. Okay, that implies 2 alpha equal to 2b by a. Okay, product of roots alpha into alpha is equal to constant term is 15, coefficient of x square is a 15 by a, alpha square is equal to 15 by a. This is the product of roots condition. Alpha square by 2 alpha is equal to alpha square value is 15 by a, 2 alpha value is 2b by a. Okay, a cancel here, 2 cancel, 1 alpha cancel here. That implies alpha is equal to 15 by b. Alpha value is 15 by b. Okay, alpha b equal to 15 by alpha. Yes, alpha, if you want alpha value, alpha equal to 15 by b. Okay, next alpha comma beta are roots of the equation x square minus 2bx plus 21 equal to 0. Alpha comma beta are roots of x square minus 2bx plus 21 equal to 0. Here sum of roots alpha plus beta is equal to minus of minus 2b by a. A means 1. Okay, coefficient of x square a kada, that equal to 2b. Implies alpha plus beta is equal to 2b. Product of roots alpha into beta equal to constant term 21 by 1, that implies alpha beta equal to 21. Okay, next alpha is a root of this equation means alpha in substitute in this equation, that can be written as alpha square minus 2b alpha plus 21 equal to 0. Okay, alpha value is 15 by b, substitute in this place, 15 by b whole square minus 2b into 15 by b plus 21 is equal to 0. Okay, this implies 15 into 15, 225 by b square minus 30b by b, okay, plus 21 equal to 0. LCM is b square. B square divided by b square is 1. 1 into 225, 225. Minus b square divided by b is 1b is there. B into b square. Minus 30b square. B square into 21, 21b square is equal to 0. 0 into b square 0. This taking right side, 0 into b square 0. That implies 225 minus 9b square. 30 minus 30 plus 21 is minus 9 equal to 0, which implies 225 is equal to 9b square, implies b square is equal to 225 by 9. 925 is 225. B square is equal to 25. Okay, if you want alpha square plus beta square value, b equal to 5. Okay, right. Alpha square plus beta square is equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Alpha plus beta value is alpha plus beta is equal to 2b. 2b whole square minus alpha into beta value is 21. 4b square minus 42. B square value is 25 minus 42. That is equal to 100 minus 42. That is equal to 58. Therefore, alpha square plus beta square is equal to 58. That's enough. If alpha comma beta comma gamma comma delta are the roots of the equation x power 4 plus x cube plus x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0, then find alpha power 2021 plus beta power 2021 plus gamma power 2021 plus delta power 2021 is equal to, okay. Now we take x power 5 minus 1 is equal to x minus 1 into x power 4 plus x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. Okay, multiplying with these two, you can get the x power 5 minus 1. Okay, x power that is equal to 0. Sorry, that is equal to 0. X minus x equal to 1. 1 x power 4 plus x cube plus x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, x power 5 minus 1 equal to 0 means fifth root of unity. X power 5 is equal to 1. X power 5 minus 1 equal to 0. And if omega power 5 is equal to 1. Okay, for suppose alpha is a root of this equation, alpha power 5 is equal to 1. Okay, beta is a root of this equation, beta power 5 is equal to 1. Beta power 5 is equal to 1. Similarly, gamma power 5 equal to 1. Delta power 5 is equal to 1. This here having x power 4 x cube plus x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, that value is alpha minus 1 into alpha power 4 plus alpha cube plus alpha square plus alpha plus 1 is equal to 0. This is the alpha power 4 plus alpha cube plus alpha square plus alpha equal to minus 1. This value alpha power 5 is equal to 1, beta power 5 equal to 1, gamma power 5 equal to 1, delta power 5 equal to 1. Okay, if you want alpha power 2021 plus beta power 2021, okay, plus gamma power 2021 delta power 2021, that is equal to alpha into alpha power 2020 plus beta into beta power 2020 plus gamma into gamma power 2020 plus delta into delta power 2020. Okay, alpha into alpha power 5 404 plus beta into beta power 5 4040 plus gamma into gamma power 5 whole power 404 delta into delta power 5 whole power 404. This value is 1. Okay, alpha plus beta plus alpha into this is 1, alpha into 1 1, beta into 1 1, gamma into 1 1. Okay, gamma plus delta. Okay, this is one condition. If you want alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta value, actually x power 4 plus x cube plus x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0 roots are alpha beta gamma delta. Okay, x power 5 minus 1 roots are 1 comma these 4 roots, 1 comma x power 4 plus x cube plus x square plus x plus 1 roots are alpha beta gamma delta, and x power 5 minus 1 equal to 0 roots are 1 comma alpha comma beta comma gamma comma delta. X power 5 minus 1 equal to 0, roots are alpha comma beta comma gamma comma delta comma 1. Okay, sum of roots alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta plus 1 is equal to coefficient of x power 4 is not there, that equal to 0. Okay, alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta is equal to minus 1. Okay, this value is minus 1. That's enough.